So basically it is like my array, we are going to keep it like this only, we cannot do anything there. But we need to write like this. So say concat, I'm putting like, okay, array, this is my new array been created. My array, I'm just taking this out. Okay, this is a function how you need to write whenever you want to concatenate something. Okay, so concating, what I'm doing is 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I'm just closing this syntax. Now when you see what happened, how if you want to use a concat function, okay, append is basically going to modify your complete, the original array. But if you don't want to concatenate your original array, but you just want to add that something up into my main array, I want to see how it going to be like. So this I need to paste it here. That's where I'm not able to see my concatenate array. So if you see, my array is not changed. We saw initially, right? The thing was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for that. Okay, but now my array is going to be having 7, 8, 9 also because it is concat array. So this is how the concatenate or concat function is to be used. Okay, so it depends on your application. You need to use append or you need to use, but I can say you need to use your concat function. Now say for example we have this my array, okay, which we already have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I want to create, okay, I want to create another copy of an array. Okay, then how it is going to be? I want to basically I want to create a copy of my array. Okay, I want to create a copy of my array, the name which we have given. So basically the array which we created, I am going to make a copy of that. Okay, so how I am going to do that? So this is how we are going to do. Constructor, giving it a variable because we are going to this. So copy is our new array now. Okay, then my array. Then I'm going to put in a property syntax which is clone. Okay, and this cloning is then going to be checked out, and if you see we are getting a error because this is what we need to put in here now. Okay, and when you look in that, this is what I'm going to clone. Okay, now let us have two different labels to the item, so we verify that. So let's put array 1, let's put array 2, and I'm putting this as my copy. Okay. Now what we'll do is we are cloning my array, right? And let us set up a value, let us push in a value to our original array. How we are going to do that? Like I want to push in a value of 6. Okay, so there are two conditions, append and push. Let me know in the comment section what is the difference between append and push. Okay, but let us see the push now. Okay, so I'm just putting that dot push here. Okay, pushing what I'm going to push, I'm going to push a 6. Okay, now let us see how this looks like. Okay, so here we got, okay, we cloned it. If you see, now my copy array is same to my array. Now we have pushed in a value of 6 into my array, and if you could see, the 6 has came into my array now here. Okay, in the comment section you are going to let me know what is the difference between push and append. Okay, and you're going to hit this video a like. Okay, so that let's keep a target of minimum 100 likes to this video, guys. It will really help us and motivates us to bring educational value-added videos just for you, onto our Leansimcorp channel. If you see, now what we're going to do is we have two labels onto the palette. One is array 1, which is our array where we pushed in a value of 6, which is my array, and the second array is our copy. This is how it looks like. You create an exact copy of your array. I pushed in a 6 value later, so you can see the difference. Okay, now we have seen clone, we have seen append. Okay, we have seen length, we have seen concat. Okay, now let us look into the next syntax. Okay, and that is basically going to be a very important syntax. Okay, I'll just show you what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is let us have this clone and copy onto the same page. What I need to do is my array, okay, I need to fill that with a particular value. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just writing here fill my array, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to fill that with 0, and let's see what happens. Okay, I'm just stopping and continuing this. Just look at this. What do you see now? All 5 positions in your array, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of array 1 have 0 now, because you have used a fill function onto your arrays. So what do you see? Whenever you're supposed to fill in some values across all the lengths of your array, okay, then use a fill function. Okay, don't get confused in append, push, and then fill. Okay, each have different applications. This fill array is going to put in the values into all the lengths of your array. So the complete array is going to get filled with 0. Okay, so that is where you are supposed to use in the fill thing. Okay, now what we are supposed to going to be checking out. Now let us find out the position of different details out in there. Okay, different positions of the details out in there. So for example, what we'll do is I'll just delete this for now, fill. Okay, and let us see now that what is the index or the position of a value in my array. Okay, so in my array I'm going to put in a what I need to do is I need to find out that what position my 3 is. On what position my 3 is. Okay, and what I need to do is I need to find out this in the way of this. Okay, so let us find out what is my position of 3. For premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You can access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online appointment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals, like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.